We started with the digitization of some projects, then the ABDM came in, then RCH1 came in, MCTS, RCH1, ANMOL. So it kind of sorted out some problems at that given time which were being faced. But today's technology has given a leap to a different modality of functioning which can be centered around the ease of delivery. And if you look at ANMOL was a game changer. Before that, we used to write the data in a register and then upload it, send the register to the PHC, and PHC somebody would enter. So ANMOL was a game changer at that time. So UNICEF's partnership at the Government of India level. UNICEF works at the national as well as state level through 13 state offices. And it has been a long partnership if you look at. The first one was 2010. SNCU Online was the first digital platform which was created. Today, all the SNCU, more than 1,000 SNCU on it, more than 1 million babies get reported on it annually. Second was in 2015 when ANMOL was developed. Again, UNICEF was a partner. We were proud to say that we were the partner of Government of India in developing. Today it's implemented all across the country except 5 or 6 states. So this has been, and if you look at further development, service here, the UMentor, it is something which is for immunization which we are developing together. There is also state level innovations which are taking, which have really have been game changers and have been lessons which we have incorporated into the RCH planning also. Like Mantra in UP, all the public health facility in UP, deliveries are done on Mantra. And why is this possible? Why are we confident about can our health systems handle it? This is a small study which we did together with MMPC Cell, where we talked to around 1,000 A&M across the country. And you see they are educated, they know how to operate a mobile phone, they know to operate WhatsApp. So this gives us a comfort that our workforce is fully in tune with what we are trying to protect. This is a life cycle approach. Today, if you see these around this life cycle approach, these are currently separate applications which are there, which are not talking to each other. SNCU Online, RCH 1.0. So, but when we move forward, Ministry took a very, very bold decision of saying that RCH 2.0 will be our single source of truth. So every integration will be coming into this. So all the data will be coming into this, and the integrations will definitely be a game changer from the point of view of how we handle the data analytics. And we can also use more of the data for decision making. So what all does it do? It is, when we designed it around the A&M. It was not designed against the district people. It was not designed against what state requirement, the secretary or the. It was designed around the A&M. So that her work problems get addressed. It is something which is one of the world's longest longitudinal database. Once it is fully rolled out in the country, we do not have a longitudinal database from, as they say, from the womb to the tomb. So this would be, work in a way that it would be you can interact with this at various life stages. It will be a single source and reducing. So a lot of the things which manually are done by the A&M, the system will do, leveraging the ABDM infrastructure, leveraging the ABDM technology. It will be mobile first. It will be paperless. So when you saw those registers, many states, when we did the beta testing, they're still recording in the register and then putting it on ANMOL. Once this is rolled out, or once it is stable and rolled out in the country, this would be paperless. This is same kind of a thought process what happened when we moved from cash to digital transaction. It would be interoperable. So interoperability is at the heart of this. Interoperability within the softwares, interoperability with the state softwares, and also interoperable with the private sector, because that's a huge part of our health service delivery, which can be also incorporated. So when it is fully rolled out, what it would look at, it would have more than 700 million user base, concurrent 1.5 million health workers would be accessing it. It will be doing more than 90 million transactions per day. Just to set a context, if you go to Aadhaar site and you look at how many transactions it does per day, it is doing around, it has done maximum of 70 to 75 million transactions per day, but this will be doing 100 million transactions. And data and API integration and security is inbuilt. So these are modules which you can expect. These are already there when it is rolled out in the country. So there is a child care service module, there is an immunization which will be human interactions, the data will be brought in, PNC services, family planning, delivery services, and ANC services, and beneficiary registration. This is the architecture. This is to just show you that how robust it has been built, and there are various levels of interaction with out of health softwares also, which can be built into it. Work in progress. This is something which I will not spend much time. There are reports being developed. There are fixed reports which the team is working on. There are reports, dashboards, and other things, and the API integration at the state levels which are being worked on. And this is something which talks about the future. What are we looking at? IoT, QR-based tracking, AI predictive modules here, state application, Bal Aadhaar, and all these things. This we'll talk in more detail. Just to give you a glimpse, this will have a QR code where a mother, you can get everything inside it. This will be detailed and showcased in much detail. This will have a work plan calendar for A&M. So not only immunization, you can plan the entire work of an A&M around it, and she can see it in one place. What are the services which are lined up? What all she needs to do in one place. There are report modules. As I said, this is a report module, but this will also get a dynamic data analytics dashboard, which would be part of this. These are some of the fixed reports which have been worked on, but there are many more which we will be working on. There will be session creation, so she can create a session and plan her work, and she can also deliver the services through this part of the software. HRP tracking. So the entire journey of an HRP can be tracked in this, and this is something which is very, very important, because that's where a majority risks are there. ASHA user creation. You can ASHA can also create users within this software, new user, and she can be also provide some information. Beneficiary registration. This you are aware of, who went through beta testing, but there are these are the modes of beneficiary registration. This is an important beneficiary ID verification. This is actually one of the pain points of the RCH1 or the earlier products was that we were not able to track migrant population. So here, since the universe is one, you can track through an Aadhaar any population, any person to give the services. So a person from Bihar travels to UP, you can track that and provide the services where. So it creates a one kind of a environment for health service delivery for the mother and child. I will stop here. This was a quick recap. Thank you very much. I would like to thank each one of you who have contributed in improving this. Thanks a lot.